In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get dark mode on GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, your GoHighLevel dashboard will be easier on the eyes, especially if you work late at night or just prefer a darker interface. First, start by logging into your GoHighLevel account as you normally would. Once you're in, head over to your main agency or account dashboard. In this example, we'll be working from the primary control area where you manage your locations, funnels, and settings. From here, look toward the left-hand or main navigation menu and find the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where GoHighLevel keeps most of the configuration options for your account, including things like your company details, team, and customization features. Inside the settings area, look for the section called Company. This is usually where you manage the information and preferences that apply across your entire account or agency. Click on Company to open up those options. Once you're in the company settings, you'll see several tabs or sections you can choose from. What you want to look for next is a tab or link labeled Advanced Settings. This is where GoHighLevel keeps some of the more detailed configuration options, including design and white label settings. Click on Advanced Settings to continue. Within Advanced Settings, you'll see another set of options. One of them will be called White Label. The White Label area is designed for branding and appearance changes, so that your GoHighLevel account can match your own brand or visual preferences. Click on the White Label tab to open it. After you're in the White Label section, scroll down until you find the Theme area. This is where you can switch between light and dark themes. Take your time and scroll past any other branding fields, like logos or colors, until you reach the theme options. Once you see the theme section, select the dark theme option. As soon as you choose it, you may notice a preview or immediate change in how the interface looks, giving you that darker, more comfortable view. To make sure this change is applied permanently, scroll to the bottom or look for the Save Changes button within the White Label settings. Click on Save Changes. This step is crucial because if you navigate away without saving, your theme will stay on the old setting and you'll have to repeat the process. After saving, your GoHighLevel account should now be using dark mode. You can navigate around the platform to confirm that your new theme is active across your dashboard, pipelines, and other areas. If it doesn't update right away, try refreshing your browser. And that's it.